Once a street boy was staring at an expensive car. When the car owner came, he asked the car owner, how much you paid for the car? The car owner said, my brother presented this car on my birthday. Then the little street boy said, I wish, and stopped. The car owner thought what the boy intended to say is that if he had a brother like that, he would have got a car. But the following words uttered by the car owner really uttered by the street boy really surprised the car owner. The street boy said, I wish I could become like the brother who had presented the car to you. The car owner asked the little boy to get inside the car and gave him a ride. After some time, the boy requested, can you drop me near my house? Again, the car owner thought what the boy wanted is to show other street boys that he is traveling in an expensive car. When the car neared a hut, the boy requested to stop. He got out. He went inside a hut, and when he came back, he was carrying his young, crippled brother. Pointing to the car and the car owner, he said, his brother presented this car on his birthday. I would work hard, make lots of money, and I will present a car to you. I will make you sit inside that car, and I will take you to all places which your little eyes wants to see. Your little heart wants to be, but your crippled legs cannot take you. That is my dream and hope. Think about that little boy who was born in poverty, lived in poverty, but wanted to sacrifice everything for his crippled little brother.